Hello friends and welcome to Cooking with Rod's Soup Collection. Every Monday from now until the Sky Garden begins in May, I will be posting a new soup recipe. All the ingredient amounts and instructions on how to make it will be down in the description below. If you make this recipe, please let us know how it went. And here we go. This classic French onion soup is everything it should be. Deeply caramelized onions, rich beef broth, toasted baguette, and a bubbling crown of melted Gruyere cheese. In this step-by-step recipe, I'll show you how to properly caramelize onions, no shortcuts. Build deep flavor and finish the soup the traditional French way. Perfect for cozy nights, dinner parties, or whenever you want a timeless bistro classic at home. We're gonna peel and thinly slice all the onions from root to tip. And we wanna keep the slices uniform for even caramelization. Now we're gonna take our oil and butter in a large stainless steel soup pot over medium heat. Add the onions and salt. Then we're going to cook those uncovered for 35 to 45 minutes, stirring every few minutes. And reduce the heat as needed to prevent burning. Onions should be deep golden brown and jammy. And we're going to stir in the sugar if you're using sugar, and the garlic, and cook for 30 seconds until fragrant. Sprinkle the flour over the onions, stir, and cook for 1 minute. Then we're going to deglaze the pot with white wine, scraping the bottom thoroughly. So there they are, caramelized onions. Now we're going to add our beef broth, bay leaf, thyme, and black pepper. We're going to bring that up to a gentle simmer. Cook that uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're going to remove the bay leaf and the sprigs of thyme. And taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper. And we're going to slice up our baguettes and toast them in the oven until crisp and golden. We're going to ladle our soup into oven-safe bowls. We're going to top each bowl with the toasted baguette and add a layer of the shredded Gruyere cheese. We're going to place those under the broiler until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and lightly browned. So there you go, French onion soup. Okay, if you're going to store the soup in the fridge or the freezer, you need to let it cool completely. And you can ladle that into airtight containers. Okay, we can store those in the fridge for up to 4 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Do not top them with the bread and cheese. Now you can reheat that on the stovetop over medium heat. And we're going to ladle that into some oven-safe bowls. Top with the bread and the cheese. And then again, heat that under the broiler until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly golden. Okay, so use yellow onions only for the proper sweetness. Gruyere is the traditional cheese, but you can use Swiss if you like for extra depth of flavor. Replace 1 cup of the broth with beef stock concentrate. Always grate the cheese fresh for the best melt. There you go, enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos here that you can click on to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.